Welcome to Lavka 5th grade ELA Read Alouds. Open your study island lesson and be ready to listen and follow along. Today's lesson is pronouns. After you finish this, you'll be ready to open your pathway to complete some practice questions. Pronouns. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. It refers back to the noun that it replaces. Writers need to use the correct pronouns to make their writing easy to understand. First, pronouns must agree in number. If the pronoun takes the place of a singular noun, you have to use a singular pronoun. Here's an example of an incorrect use. The dog took a nap after they ran around the yard. The correct use of the pronoun would be, the dog took a nap after it ran around the yard. The words everybody, anybody, anyone, each, neither, nobody, someone, and somebody are singular and take singular pronouns. For example, it would be incorrect to say, everybody is allowed to bring their favorite CD. The correct use of the pronoun would be, everybody is allowed to bring his favorite CD if you're referring to all males, or her if you're referring to females. Another incorrect example is, neither of the boys did their best on the test, is an incorrect use of the pronoun. The correct use would be, neither of the boys did his best on the test. And we know we can use his because we are talking about boys in this sentence. Pronouns must agree in voice and person. When writing, you need to stick to one voice. For example, if you are the first person, I, don't confuse your reader by switching to the second person, you, or the third person, he, she, they, or it. Also, if you are using the second person, do not switch to the first or third. Here's an incorrect example of switching. When a singer takes the stage, you should smile at the crowd. The correct use of the pronoun here would be, when a singer takes the stage, he should smile at the crowd. Pronouns must clearly refer to a specific noun. Here's an example of unclear reference. Although Kate and Cynthia argued, she did not get upset. The question here is, which she are they referring to? Is it Kate or Cynthia? Here's another example of an unclear use of pronoun. They did not spell my name correctly on the sign. In this sentence, it's not clear who they are. Here's another example of an unclear use. Molly will be at the party on Saturday, which will be fun. You're left asking the question, which refers to the party or the fact that Molly will be at the party? Another unclear example. Daniel is working hard. This may be his big chance for success. What word does this refer to? Another unclear example. Anisha put her cat in my new car. You can come and see it. You're probably already wondering, do you want Anisha to come and see, or do you want to come and see Anisha's cat or the new car? There are also personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific people or things. What I would recommend is, if you have a screen capturing tool, you either capture this chart so that you can have it as you do your writing, or you can print off this lesson and keep this chart as a good reference tool as you're writing.